Masks, a piece of protection that we need to use to deter the spread of infectious diseases. However, people are taking so much of them that the stores are running out of these masks. The prices for these also went up due to high demands. Have you tried to buy your face mask, but you don't find it in stores? Do you want to make your own face mask at home in only 1 minute? Do you require step-by-step illustrated instructions, because you haven't ever made it? If so, then DIY Homemade Face Mask Guide is definitely the book for you. With the latest virus spreading, it is now more vital than it has ever been to equip ourselves with protective masks. Medical face masks are used to avoid or reduce the risk of virus transmission or bacterial contamination or possible infections that are transmitted through the air. Unfortunately, as the virus continues to spread throughout the globe, more and more pharmacies were coming forward to let the public know that all medical masks are sold out. So, does the vast majority of us that have not yet been able to access a mask should go without? Of course not. With the DIY Homemade Face Mask Guide, you can learn from now how to create your own DIY personalized protective mask for antiviral protection. The DIY Homemade Face Mask book will teach you what face mask tasks are and why you need your personal mask now. What are the different types of face masks and how to wear them? The 10 dangers you will avoid wearing a face mask. Step-by-step illustrated instructions to do your first DIY face mask in 10 minutes or less. DIY face mask for kids. Protect your kids and personalize them masks with cartoon patterns and more. What homemade face masks can and cannot do, tips, and much, much more. If now you are thinking, am I able to make this? How much does it cost in terms of time? Then keep in mind this, the DIY Homemade Face Mask Guide will guide you from the previous step to the last step, with detailed images and instructions, in making your first mask in only 10 minutes. Are you ready to make your DIY face mask now? By learning how to create your own can lessen the cost and the need to buy masks since they are reusable. Step-by-step complete guide how to make your own face mask at home. Visit link in description below.